Guys, welcome to Show Me Tint. Don't go anywhere. You don't want to miss it. Hot, it's fresh. You know you've been waiting to see it. The shop's on point today. It's cold in the shop, cold outside, warm in the shop. The deals are hot inside, it's cold outside. You ready? You want to check it out? All right, let's check it out. What do you guys think this is? Is this something to do with the exhaust? Big GoPro cha-cha. Tell us about it. Jimmy knows all about it, I'm sure. He's trying to stay on the camera. So we're wrapping this car. Technically, literally, I'm supposed to already be wrapping this car. I'm doing something for a buddy of mine in the back. He had this like event pop up. And he's like, bro, wrap my wife's car in 4.5 days. I've got a parade coming up for a business. And I'm like, I'm supposed to be wrapping this car. So hopefully the customer don't see this quite yet because we've almost got the car done in the back. Well, this GMC is a big dually, brand new. Andre's been wrapping the whole thing in paint protection film. We're gonna wrap this whole hood all in one piece. You've seen that before. Our self-filling paint protection film, headlights, fenders. The fenders are wrapped. This isn't wrapped. We're gonna do this big dually side. This is what we're known for. One of my dudes drove all the way from Tennessee to have us wrap one of these in one piece, no seams. This side isn't done. The other side we did last night. We knocked it out in like an hour and a half, Andre. How long did it take us? No, it didn't take us 3 hours. It was like an hour and a half. Boom, this big old piece, one piece of film. Maybe we'll get a clip of that here in a minute because we're gonna jam it out. Looks perfect, looks amazing. Andre's killing it. We wore matching shirts today. We have this little like, you know, show me tint, show me tint. We do like group text. What are we gonna wear today? You know what I mean? Let's wear matching shirts. We did a half rocker piece here, and then we did a full ceramic coating. We're gonna everywhere else. It's for the gutter goat. You think I'm high energy? You think my friends are high energy? This dude is on 10 all the time. He's like bam, 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 bam. I'm like, I'm hard to keep up. That's crazy. Let's check out this Jeep we're doing real quick, and I'll show you what's up. We've been working on it all week, getting it ready for JS Off-Road. Looking like it's going to Forbes Tire down in Arkansas. Boom. We made this logo. We custom made this print with their help. They do a lot of the stuff in-house, so they custom build a lot of this. At JS Off-Road, it's local to Missouri. They hand built the exhaust. They do a bunch of really badass motor work. The owner's got one of these that has like a supercharger in it. We did a previous video on it. You should check it out. This was all like crusty silver before. They had been beating it up in the woods, obviously. We made it gloss black, 3D print orange peel logos. That's the name of the Jeep. Wrapped all this in gloss black and then this digital print down the side. So it really came out hot. I'm really happy how it turned out. Customers picking it up today. You know, I'm hyped about it. I love that because that means today's payday. All right, now this is the Camaro that kinked up the whole schedule. My dude, Terry McConnell. Man, we've been jamming this thing out. I wish you could have seen this before. Nick, he's been on, I've been slamming Monsters all week, Red Bulls, jamming it out. It kind of looks like the Mystery Machine because the original color was this Synergy green. Look at this. They souped up the motor. We did like a, what do they call that? Like an ZL1? Yeah, so this is a ZL1 conversion we were doing on this for the front bumper. We're changing it out from the old front bumper, which is in the back. I'll show it to you real quick. Nick's working on the last piece. We started this late Monday. We typically do not do them this fast. I've been doing work for this guy for like 10 years. He actually sold me my boat. So here's what the old bumper looks like. Regular SS bumper. This Synergy green was like a really hot factory color when it came out. So wrapping this in the pink is even more bold. We just swapped the wheels for them this morning. They had, I think they're the ZL1 wheels. They had the standard SS wheels, you know. So we did all this for them in less than 4.5 days. This has a high amount of pearl. This is heather pink, and this thing is awesome. I love this color. We had the mirrors dipped in black. We tinted, of course, new ceramic tint. You got to have all that stuff. You know, we did a couple little accent pieces. We actually lowered chin spoiler in black. You know, this thing is super cool now. So when it gets up here, we're going to have a bunch of really high gloss accents. You know, so I don't want to scratch it up, but you can imagine. Use your imagination, okay? It's got a clip on there. And we just wrapped a Porsche pink. Like, people are going to think we only do pink cars. So this will go in the trunk. It's gonna look magnificent. Yeah. Wow. Oh, hey, Hunter, show me that real quick before you take it off. Show these guys on YouTube. So this was a chrome piece, a factory chrome piece for a local dealership here in town, Thompson's. They're putting this truck together. They wanted to make it custom, so we made this black, and then we did, this is what, a new Ultimate, Denali Ultimate. The grill, you'll probably be able to tell by the grill. This was a regular chrome grill, and we just made the border black with a little custom accent. No problem. And Hunter's literally taking it right to the dealership right now. You need help? You got it. And we're shipping it right there. They're going to install it at the dealership right now. You got the Show Me Tint van loaded up. And yeah, time to make it happen. All right, time we see this truck, it'll be done. Yeah, and that's how we do it, baby. Let's take you down the tint shop real quick. I'll show you what's popping down there. Check out this Friday. Yeah. Guys, welcome down to the tint shop. We just missed the guys. They're at lunch. So it's quiet, nice. I want to show you what's happening. Doing some tint jobs. This little Sierra's coming in for some ceramic window tint all the way around. When they tint it, guess what they're going to use? I'm going to show this off real quick. This is new. Before, we had little bottles. Check this out. This is so neat. Next technology here. So we use water when we're tinting, you know, so you see them when they're doing this. And before we had like little spray bottles. Their hands get tired. Now we've got direct access to the perfect amount of water. They don't put too much water out on your door panels. It gives a nice mist, so don't get your car wet. It also helps us do a really good job on cleaning the windows, and it keeps the guy's hand from like going overextended all the time because they're like this. And it speeds up time because they're not filling their bottles all the time. This is from like Tint Buster, I think. Is that what it says? Like Ghostbuster, but like Tint Buster. Tint Buster. Who you gonna call? Show me tint. Yeah. Anyway, that's my new toy. I got the guys some. They're liking it. They loving it. They want some more of it. Tint Buster. Show me tint. It's like a little. It's kind of cool. It's like a little water pouch in here, so they fill up their solution, and then it has like a little motor that comes on anytime they use it, and it just automatically activates to like keep it full of compressed air. It's pretty wild. For us in our little tint world, we're like, yeah. Oh, let me show you this guy. I want to show you like vinyl. A lot of people ask me this question. How's it hold up? You know, to paint like paint, it holds up a lot like paint. But the thing about it is, if vinyl gets damaged, it's easier to fix because so this guy like got hit in a parking lot or something and it scratched the whole side of it. Normally you'd be at a paint shop painting all this. It protected all the paint underneath it, which, you know, can or can't happen depending on the damage. But now he's just in for a quick wrap. He'll be in and out. We'll rewrap this side for him. It's back to brand new for a third of the cost. You know, so a lot of people don't think about that, but he's got this Cadillac V, you know, so it's a nice car. He doesn't want it to look scratched up, obviously. So we're gonna fix it today. It'll be in and out, no like waiting, no insurance, just in, out, a little bit of cash and be on the road. Yeah, but we're excited. We're having a good day. We've got a bunch of good stuff popping. I'm gonna try to get a video of our new wall. We finished the mural up there. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? Up there. See that big mouth? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a chicken riding. The tongue is dressed like the Lone Ranger. My son picked that out. Guys, thanks for checking it out. We appreciate you very much. Please like and subscribe it. Please tune in next time. We got a lot of how-tos coming up. We got a lot of fun stuff cracking off. Thanks for checking it out. Appreciate you. Peace out.